Hello, everyone, and welcome back to OGA Academy. In today's lesson, we would like to quickly inform you about the accessibility to all documents provided by the company in our Documents panel. As you can see from the screen, this panel is the last one present in our dashboard. When we click on it, we have access to a complete list of documents that were produced by the company. For making the search more practical, the list has been divided by country. Also for language purposes. So please make sure you choose your country of distributorship. After that, you will see the list which is subdivided into sections for your convenience. Scroll down through forms and agreements, product information, policies and procedures, price lists, representative tools or promotion and incentive programs. Everything you will ever need is here. Please make use of these documents whenever you are requested to submit something to our compliance department or need an extra application form for a new prospect. Perfect! We hope we have been clear and informative. Thanks for your attention, and we hope to count on all of you in our next edition of this Backoffice series.